In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present, share, and export your Prezi AI presentation. So, if you're ready to take your presentation skills to the next level, let's jump right in. First off, you'll need to open your AI-generated presentation in Prezi. Make sure you have your presentation ready because we'll be transforming it from an edit mode space to something you can share with others confidently. Once you've opened your presentation, the next thing you want to do is click on Present, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of your screen. Doing this will allow you to view your entire presentation in full screen, which is perfect when you're preparing for a live audience, whether it's in person or virtual. Navigating through your presentation is simple and intuitive. You can make use of the arrow keys on your keyboard if you're going for a more tactile feel, or use your mouse to easily click through the various topics and frames you've crafted. This flexibility in navigation ensures that you can move seamlessly through your presentation, focusing on each point you've included. Now, after you've perfected your presentation delivery, you might want to share it with others. Click on Share, which will prompt you to generate a view-only link. This is incredibly handy when you want to provide others with access, without worrying about them making any unintended changes. It's basically like giving your audience a front-row seat to your presentation, even from afar. If you wish to allow others to add comments or collaborate further on the presentation, take a moment to adjust the link permissions. This can be a game-changer if you're working as part of a team or inviting feedback from your colleagues or clients. For those moments when you need an offline version, click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Download to export your presentation. You'll be given a choice of various export formats, so pick the one that best fits your needs, whether it's a PDF, video, or another format that supports your goals. Once you've made your selection, save the file to your device, and you're all set. And that wraps it up. That's how you present, share, and export your Prezi AI presentation. By following these steps, you can ensure that your hard work isn't just beautifully designed, but also shared effectively and efficiently with your desired audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to keep your skills sharp.